Let's go ahead and take a look at these Stoggle glasses. A buddy at work actually told me about this company, Stoggle Safety Goggles, I guess. So let's take a look at these Stoggles and talk about them for a minute here. They have built-in side shields, which keep them to the required Z87-2 requirement, ANSI requirement. I had an actual prescription that I provided to get these. So these are not just safety glasses, these are prescription safety glasses. And the intent was for these to replace the prescription safety glasses I have at work, because my current safety glasses royally suck. When I'm doing something in the heat of the summer, and I live down in Texas, so it gets hot, I sweat and fog out those glasses over and over and over and over. I can't hardly see anything while I'm working, and it just frustrates the heck out of me. And so the intent with these glasses is that they don't have a foam gasket around the outside. They have included shields that are going to allow for a lot of the heat and the sweat to dissipate and get out. But I ended up spending about $128 on this pair. Now it's $30 without the prescription, and then once you add the prescription on, it's about $90 extra, and then a few extra taxes and fees and whatever bring you up to about $130. One of the things that I actually like is this case. I enjoy throwing this case in my bag. I know my glasses are protected inside of it. However, when I'm using my glasses, I have this case which is somewhat bulky. It takes up some space with that triangle shape. It actually folds in on itself. So you pull out on this, you pull these tabs in and fold it around, and now it's nice and flat. It's small. You can throw it inside of your backpack or set it at your desk or something, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So I really like the carrying case that's provided with these Stoggle glasses. Pretty good. Let's see how these fit. All right, so I'm gonna try these on. Tried to get set up here where my glasses weren't gonna see a lot of glare. So let's take these ones off. My classic 70s glasses, or serial killer glasses, but I ignore that fact. Here they are. All right, there you go. I thought about getting the black or the gray, like the darker clear ones, but I ended up getting the clear ones just to help with my peripheral vision in the side shields. It is a little bit blurry or murky when you look through it, but I can see my hand right now through that in my peripherals. So that's really the intention of getting these clear ones. Not really style, although they don't look too bad, not too shabby. They definitely beat the heck out of my other ones. I like the added protection up above, so any sparks or anything that's trying to fall down, it's definitely going to block a lot of that. And then these side shields are pretty substantial, so these are going to keep anything from coming around and getting in my eye from there. And then it's pretty form-fitting, so there's not a lot of space around my face or openings where things could really get in here. So it's a good fit up for my face. I got the square ones. I believe there's rectangle ones that are even bigger than this pair. And then there's also round ones. But Stoggles seems to be a good company. I like their glasses. They're very comfortable. I'll know with time after spending lots of hours with it. I like how the piece curves around my ear here. The fit up's nice, and it doesn't look like a ridiculous pair of safety glasses. I like how I can see through these ones a lot better than my safety glasses at work. Now, one of the problems with this is it looks like they're not anti-glare, so I get a little bit of glare off of the lights up above, so not great. However, I love how they feel. I think they're probably not going to fog up as much, and I can see through it, and there's not much distortion like I get with my current safety glasses. So hopefully they stand the test of time. They fit nice, they look decent, and I can see through them. It's pretty good. Now, I'm not sponsored. I had to pay the full price for these glasses, but I wanted to be able to give you an honest opinion, and it looks like I'm gonna like them. Let me know what you think. Comment below Are you going to look at the Stoggles? Do you think they look ridiculous? And let me know if you have issues with your safety glasses at work, because I just hate prescription safety glasses. They're a headache and they're expensive. Go ahead and try these out. Peace.